Yeah. Some dreams don't drown easy, some hearts still float, even when the world pulls down. I built my hope from paper thin, folded dreams where I had been, put my prayers on rivers wide, let the current be my guide. But skies turned dark, the wind grew strong, something whispered you don't belong. The water laughed, the night got cold, still I sailed what I was told. And I tried to stay afloat in a world that bends and breaks my boat. Every tear becomes the sea, pulling everything from me. Paper boats in the gravity storm, drifting where the lost are born. I'm holding on but I can't see if the waves will remember me. Paper boats in the gravity storm, love and pain are weather worn. If I sink or if I roam, let my heart still find a home. Streetlights flicker like fading hope, I learn again how fragile's cold. Every dream I dare to send comes back torn at the end. But still I write my name in rain, even if it fades in pain. 'Cause somewhere deep I still believe the storm can't take what lives in me. So I cry but I still hold the line in this time that steals my time. Every wave that breaks my skin still can't drown the fire within. Paper boats in a gravity storm, drifting where the lost are born. I'm holding on but I can't see if the waves will remember me. Paper boats in a gravity storm, love and pain are weather worn. If I sink or if I roam, let my heart still find a home. Maybe storms are just a test to break the weak and bless the rest. If I fall in light, even broken still I fight. Paper boats in a gravity storm, still I rise though I feel worn. Every tear becomes a flame, calling out my hidden name. Paper boats in a gravity storm, I was lost but I was born. In the struggle, in the foam, still I sail my way back home. Yeah. Paper boats don't always sing, some just learn how to float through storms.